Good East positioning of the sun, everybody. The name is Blue Fang, and welcome back to some more Devil May Cry 3. In the last episode, we cleared out Mission 10. And this time, we are doing Mission 11. Let's get right on into it.
Where am I? It's dark, I can't see anything.
You're still alive, I see.
Mary? Is that you? What's happening? Where's your mother?
My mother? You killed her, remember?
Yes. That's right. I killed her. With my own hands. What horrible thing have I done? I was too weak. I succumbed to his influence.
You mean you were possessed? Father?
Yes, I was manipulated. Manipulated by a devil named Virgil.
Virgil?
He's attempting to bring the demon world back to this modern day. A world that Sparta once sealed off.
Sparta? I thought he was a myth.
If the demons return, this world will be thrown into chaos. Stop him. Stop Virgil.
Me?
You're such a sweet child. Just like your mother.
Them birds in the background going crazy. Not for this game, but I have birds outside.
Father?
It's spring as of recording this, even though it's probably June 2nd when it comes out.
Virgil.
Okay, let's, Oh yeah, equip. Let's put Artemis in. Artemis is kind of a charge gun, so we're gonna put that in. We'll leave that alone. We're not gonna buy anything for now. We're just gonna return to the game and mission start. You can kind of see what it does. You charge it up, it gives shots, locks on. Damn it, I keep thinking that the bumpers are what change the weapons and not... the triggers. Like, oh yeah, of course. Wait, can I change the controls? Oh, yes. Because I want Devil Trigger to be... Because, okay. Hear me out, right? always think that Devil Trigger is done with the trigger. Right? It makes sense. It makes so much sense. You would push... If you wanted a Devil Trigger, you push the trigger. Okay, then I think I'm also gonna change it so that way this and this are like that. So now both bumpers are to swap weapons. Yes, okay, yes. There we go. This is too quiet for this game. There it is. When it comes to these enemies, it's a gun fest. You fight them like it's another day at DMC2. Gotta look back and forth and back and forth. If they attack you, they will steal your Devil Trigger. But you can also just take care of them like how I did. The altar of evil. Evil! You can kind of see up here, only one of these statues is crying, so you gotta do something about that. Because no one's allowed to be happy. Ooh, okay. I tried hitting the right trigger to swap my weapons, and so that might screw with me later, but if it truly does bother me enough, I'll change him back. Besides, it seems as if I can get it, and besides... This time I'd actually use the lock-on feature, which I have been so desperately needing to use. Now all three of them are crying blood, to which that unlocks those doors. But don't they also get... yeah. There's a Grim Reaper. Man, I didn't even get a chance to move. Come on, there we go. Ah! Yes! There we go. Yeah! Oh, these new controls are changing a lot for me. We're also getting through this episode significantly faster than my first take. Although, to be fair, that's probably because my first take I didn't know what I was doing, and now I do. I see that thing over there, I just don't want to attempt it. I'll be completely honest with you. There we go. Yes. Oh. Oh. Ooh. You're gonna end up looking like a school when I'm done with you, bucko. With a little bit of sushi. I'm starting to struggle not nearly as much when I realize that lock-on exists. It's almost like lock-on was an intended game mechanic that the dev team put in to make things easier for you. Huh. Who would have guessed? Man, I just pulled off a Cheka Conroy run accidentally. For those of you who don't know, if you're in the Cheka Conroy fan base, he often ends up forgetting, not understanding important mechanics throughout the entire game, and so he accidentally goes through with them with a self-imposed challenge that he doesn't even realize is a challenge. Like, a famous example would be in Mario and Luigi. In the Mario and Luigi series, he didn't realize that you could up a stat aside from health. So he always had astronomical health. Anyways, here's a boss fight that kicked my ass a lot when I played the first time. It was also the last boss I played.
You poor thing. Didn't your mother ever teach you how to use a door? Give me a break. Tell you what, next time I'll try and wear some cologne, okay?
It's the stench of betrayal, the odor of that accursed Sparta. I will annihilate every last blood relation of Sparta.
A son cleaning up his dad's mess, huh? Where have I heard this story before?
Behold Beowulf. Is he weak to rebellion? Devil trigger, go! Use with the trigger this time. What? Huh? Ah! Whoa! Ah! Ah! Okay. You can kind of see where I'm struggling with this, right? Let's buy some items. Do I want more? No, I need healing items. Let's do this. I doubt this time's gonna be it, but maybe if we treat this like a Devil May Cry 2 boss. There we go, okay. Let's give this one more shot on camera, and then I'm gonna pause and cut away until I can do it, because, oh, this boss is gonna kick my butt. He's gonna knock me straight in the booty hole. Gonna change my group chat, my name in the group chat to Mr. Big Booty Booty Cheese. Come on. I feel like if I keep my distance and I'm able to shoot my guns. That was the closest I'd gotten. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I think I got it. I'm getting super close this time. Let's see. Come on. Beowulf is done. Oh! Right in the eyes. There we go. Okay. There we go. It took me a lot longer than I would have wanted to finish this. Got a good amount of orbs. Around a style points. A lot more damage than I would have wanted to take. I used more items than I would have wanted, but it's a C according to the game, so I will take it. We are saving our game here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to do it for this episode. So, next time on Devil May Cry 3, we're going to tackle Mission 12. But until that time happens, the name is Blue Fang, and I bid you all a good west positioning of the summer, everybody. Take care, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.